Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to delete apps on Redmi Note 14 easily. Alright guys, if there are too many unused applications on your cell phone, so it can cause your cell phone to become slow and your cell phone system will become sluggish. So it is important for us to delete unused application on our cell phone. And how to delete apps on your phone is very easy. And now I'll give you two tutorial on how to delete apps on your phone. Alright, the first thing first, now you can choose the certain apps that you want to delete. Okay, for example, this one you can hold on press and then click uninstall, and so yeah, the apps will delete it. And the second tutorial, now you can go to settings menu, scroll down and then go to apps, and then now you can go to manage apps, and then you can choose the second apps that you want to uninstall or delete. Now you can click the uninstall button, and then so yeah, the certain apps will delete it from your phone. Alright guys, it's easy, right? So yeah, here's the tutorial and see you in next video.